Hi, my name is Roger Shields, Wild Turkey Program Coordinator for the Tennessee Wildlife Resources Agency. Did you know that wild turkeys almost disappeared in Tennessee? That's right. Now in the early 1800s, as Tennessee was starting to be settled, they were abundant and pretty much everywhere. But due to the pressures of settlement related to unregulated hunting and habitat loss, their numbers started to decline. Actually to the point that in the early 1900s, very few even still existed in Tennessee. Well, with recognition of the problem, efforts to restore them kicked in. Now at first, we tried to use what we call game farm or pen-reared birds and release those into these areas. But unfortunately, those birds just didn't have the characteristics, the wildness that they needed to survive and make it in the wild. So what really was the key for successful restoration was when we started trapping wild turkeys from areas where they were still abundant, primarily in southeastern and southwestern Tennessee, and then relocating them to areas where the habitat was good, but the turkeys had been removed or had died out. That effort of trapping them began in about the 1950s, continued on until the turn of the century in the early 2000s, at which point we had restored turkeys to all 95 counties and populations were healthy and abundant. So we considered it a success and concluded that effort.